Go ahead, day, go ahead, day. The sun is shining brightly down on us today. And it's a lovely day today, go ahead, day. I cannot imagine what I could do the day, go ahead, day. It's a lovely, lovely day indeed. When you're in the friend you like a lot indeed. It could not be any more important. Go ahead, day, go ahead, day. The sun is shining bright. Kids said to David, do you want to go ride this giant bird? David said, I don't feel like it. Kid says, okay, I'll ask Peter. David decided that he was going to go for a little walk along the beach, and that was what he was going to do. David became the point on his walk that he did not want to go a walk along the beach, he wanted to walk somewhere else. David said, I think Pierre and Kid were on that bird. I saw a dark shadow. It looked like there were people on it. I think they crossed line on the left side of the mountain. I'm gonna have to tell the others. David said, guys, we have a problem. Pierre and Kid were riding the giant bird and they crossed a line over on the left side of the mountains. I normally ride the giant bird with Kid, but today I didn't feel like it. We gotta go to the left side of the mountain to find Pierre and Kid. David said, this path leads up to the mountain. I think we'll get to the other side of the mountain if we're going up this path. Okay, guys? Okay, they are on the other side of the mountain, and they were looking for Pierre and Kid, and they couldn't find them. They could not find them at all. Then they suddenly heard a voice calling from the trees. They decided to follow it. David basically picked out a colored rock, and he said, I don't understand that. I thought I heard this rock talk. I don't get it. Then suddenly the rock did talk. If you want to find Kid and Pierre, they've been kidnapped to Bird City. I'll help you along your journey into Bird City. They said, okay, I guess we're going on a journey to find Pierre and Kid, aren't we, guys? Yeah. They basically came to a part where there was a building. So David reached in his pocket and he pulled out the rock. And asked the rock to go in the building. The rock said, yes, you do. There's a weapon and what you're going to need on your journey in this building. David said, okay, let's go in the building. Okay, they got the weapon and David said, I think we go straight ahead. That's what we do. David said, how about we camp here tonight? And they said, yeah, let's camp here tonight. That's a good idea, David. Basically, they got the campfire going, and they sat around the campfire, and they had their dinner, and dinner was delicious, Afterwards, they sit in the sofa and talked about the day, and the incredible journey of laying ahead of them. They basically came to the time where they were very, very tired, so they decided that they would sleep around the campfire, and that's what they were going to do. They were about to put out the fire and go to sleep, and then David heard something, so he pulled out the rock. He basically changed his mind, and he was not going to pull out the rock. He knew it was safe because the rock was asleep. A gorgeous day today, a gorgeous day indeed. The sun is shining brightly down on us today. And it's a lovely day today, a gorgeous day indeed. I cannot imagine what a day is a day, a gorgeous day indeed. It's a lovely, lovely day indeed. When you're in a friend you like a lot indeed. It could not be